Let's learn vocabulary of Minna No Nihongo Lesson 3. Koko, here, this place. Soko, there, that place near you. Asoko, that place over there. Doko, where, what place. Kochira, this way, this place. Sochira, that place near you. Achira, that way, that place over there. Dochira, which way, where. Kyosichu, classroom. Shokudo, dining hall, canteen. Jumusho, office. Kaigisichu, meeting hall. Okechuke, reception desk. Koko, here, this place. Robi, lobby. Hair, room. Toire, toilet, restroom. Otearai, toilet, restroom. Kaidan, staircase. Erebeta, elevator, lift. Esukareta, escalator. Kaisha, company. Uchi, ie, house, home. Denwa, telephone. Kuchu, suits. Wine, wine. Tobacco, cigarette. Uriba, department counter. Chika, basement. Nangai, which floor. En, Japanese money. Ikura, how much. Haku, 100. Sen, 1,000. Man, 10,000. Sumimasen, excuse me. De gozaimasu, polite form of this. O mishite kudasai, please show me. Kuni, okuni, country. Necktie, necktie. Thanks for watching.